Hi, I'm Tiana, and today I'm going to show you what the Optimum 9200A 2nd Gen Vortex Blender can blend for you. The Optimum 9200A 2nd Generation Vortex Blender is so popular for commercial juice bars due to its simple and easy to use push-button functionality and the powerful 3.5 horsepower motor. The Optimum 9200A 2nd Gen Vortex Blender now comes with longer blades of the Optimum 9400 for effective chipping and grinding. Perfect for people looking for an easy, powerful, quality machine for home use. The Optimum 9200A 2nd Generation Vortex Blender can make flour out of grains. Think oat flour, rice flour, coconut flour, and more. Superfine flour made from grain. The Optimum 9200A 2nd Gen Vortex Blender can also grind fresh coffee beans in a matter of seconds. We can make beautiful, healthy desserts in no time at all. The Optimum 9200A 2nd Generation Vortex Blender is so good at blending that you can be very creative with your smoothies. In here we have almond milk, kale, a handful of spinach, cucumber, frozen banana, and I'm about to put in a cup of frozen blueberries. Watch it blend this with ease. Thanks for watching.